Are all versions of Windows case insensitive? I know the Windows OS is, generally, case insensitive. Is this true for all the Windows OSes, from Windows 95 up to Windows and NBSP 7? Is there any registry set up to make Windows case sensitive?
Yes, this is true for all versions of Windows. There is no way to make Windows case sensitive. Keep in mind though that some apps which were originally developed for Unix/Linux and then ported may be case sensitive. Cygwin, for example, is case sensitive. This behavior is extremely rare though.
Microsoft added a new case-sensitive flag attribute that can be applied to NTFS directories, folders. For directories that have this flag set enabled, all operations on files in that directory are case-sensitive, regardless of whether file_flag_POSIX_semantics was specified. This means that if you have two files that differ only by case in a directory marked as case-sensitive, all applications will be able to access them. Starting with Windows 10 build 17107, Microsoft has added the ability to view and modify this flag to the futil.exe command. To check if a directory is case sensitive, run the following command. To mark a directory as case sensitive, or case insensitive respectively.
Actually, this depends on the API, Windows subsystem your program, use. If you use the Windows API, the standard for Windows apps, then file names are case insensitive. However, if you use the POSIX subsystem, aka Windows Services for Unix, you can enable case sensitivity. See for example this MS Support article, Enable Case Sensitive Behavior with Windows XP and Intrigue Subsystem or SFU.
This is from here. You can set the hklm/system/current control set/control/session manager/session manager/kernel/word column obcase insensitive registry value to 0 as other authors suggested. Create a file name, add .reg, with the following content and run it. Then use Cygwin to work with case-sensitive file names. In order to do so, you need to mount NTFS file systems with POSIX equals 1 option in your /etc/stab, as this article suggests. Here's a snippet from my stab. Once the above is done, you'll be able to deal with case-sensitive file names using bash, mc, git etc. Make sure to reboot after editing both.
Yes,